Morning to all of you, respected principals, sir, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. Today I am Mayur Sabru here to give a speech on Independence Day, and I am thankful to you all for giving me this opportunity. 15 August 1947 is an important day for all Indians. It is celebrated as a national holiday by the peoples of India to celebrate independence from Great Britain. On this day, peoples of India pay highly tribute to the great leaders because of who India became free forever. Our leaders like Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Gandhiji, and many sacrificed their lives to let people enjoy being independent in our nation. To celebrate this day, people watch patriotic movies, listen to music in schools, children participate in competitions and concerts, and go to view various live performances about the meaning of the day. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru turned into our first Prime Minister after the independence on 17 of August 1947 and raised the national flag at Lahore Gate of Red Fort in Delhi and given a speech. This marvel is trailed by the other Prime Ministers of India, where banner lifting functions, marches, parades, salute by 21 guns, and other events are organized. And other individuals celebrate this day by raising national banner on their garments, homes, or vehicles. On 12 p.m. of 15 August 1947, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru declared the freedom of India by perusing out his speech on Trust with Destiny. He said that over a long year of slavery, this is the time to take pledge and let our country succeed. India is where a large number of individuals live together, whether they have a place of different religions, socialities, and tradition, and celebrate this event with a great joy. At this day, similar to an Indian, we should feel pleased and should make vow to keep ourselves faithful and energetic to save our motherland. Thank you, stay home, stay safe, and have a nice day.